Naturally, for any tablet, one of the primary functions is going to be just the web browsing experience, just because with the PlayBook you have a nice sizable 7-inch display. So we'll quickly demo it, show you the type of experience you'll get out of it. So when you load up the web browser, it's going to give you the main menu here with the preloaded bookmarks, and we'll just load up Yahoo. Now we're connected to a T-Mobile 4G mobile hotspot, so it might not be as fast as a regular cable line at home, but it still does a good job as far as loading up complex websites here, and has a lot of support for different stuff like Flash. You have also JavaScript and HTML5, so it gives you a really nice, rich web browsing experience. You could double tap to zoom into a specific area. You could tell kinetic scrolling is pretty nice, responsive for the most part here. You also have multi-touch gesture support, so you can zoom in, zoom out to a specific area. And let's quickly load up our website here and just show you how that looks. Okay, so I'll load that up, and as you could tell already, even with the Flash content loading up here, it does a good job of maintaining a good kinetic scrolling rate. Doesn't seem choppy at all, which is something that kind of plagued the Samsung Galaxy Tab when we first checked it out. The 7-inch model, we just noticed that it's a little bit unresponsive, but for the most part with the PlayBook right now here, it's pretty manageable. Kinetic scrolling is pretty smooth, and we'll just wait for it to load up our site here. You have the content on top, and you have also more Flash right here on the right hand side, and does a good job as far as doing that here. So we'll quickly open up a new page here. You could do a long press, and you have different functions. You cancel, copy the link, save link. We'll open up in a new tab. Now there's ways to check out the different tabs that are open. You could simply press the button on top here, which opens up the available views here, or you could simply do the same thing by just doing the swipe gesture from the top down. So you have that, and then you could switch between all the different windows. Now as you can tell here, it's loading up the review, and it renders stuff on the fly, and we'll just show you how the 360 view here works. So click that, and it's going to load it up. It does a pretty quick job of it. Now the other thing worth noting is that you're not going to be able to navigate on the page if you try to move around where the Flash content is stored, but if you move aside from it, you'll still be able to pan or left and right, up or down with it. You can double tap to interact with the Flash content fully, and as you can see here, it's pretty nice. Same experience that you could find on a desktop. Now you could exit out of full screen mode by just simply doing a swipe gesture from the top, and you have that here. So we'll just show you the last one here, which is just the video, an embedded video, show you how it looks when you're playing it here. And doesn't open up a separate application, so it does it within the web browser itself. Now it's probably going to load up at 720p, which is a pretty high resolution, so I'll just drop it down to 360. You can tell it's loading up right now. It's pretty quick, and you can still interact with the page here, not a problem at all. And the other neat thing is that you'll be able to still navigate between different applications, so you have multitasking elements with it. So if you want to check out more about the web browsing functionality with the BlackBerry PlayBook, you can check out our website, phonearena.com.